Imagine staying strong, steady, and independent for years, doing all the things you love. What if I told you it only takes 5 simple exercises, done daily, right at home with no equipment? These aren't just any movements. They're the foundational 5 proven to rebuild strength, sharpen balance, and boost your mobility, especially for seniors over 60. Let's dive straight into these 5 essential exercises for seniors over 60 that will transform your independence, starting now. First up is the sit to stand. Start by sitting on the edge of a sturdy chair, feet hip-width apart, arms crossed. Pushing through your feet, stand up completely, then slowly and with control, sit back down. While basic, this is one of the most powerful exercises for lower body strength and independence. It targets your thighs, glutes, and core, the muscles that help you get up from a chair, the toilet, or out of a car. Aim for about 10 slow repetitions. This is your foundational movement for independence. Exercise number 2 is the single leg stance. Once you build foundational strength, improving your balance is key to preventing wobbles and falls. Stand tall behind a sturdy chair or counter for light support. Shift your weight onto one leg and slowly lift the other foot. Try holding this for 10 seconds, then switch. You'll feel those small stabilizing muscles in your ankles and hips firing up, your body's first line of defense against a fall. This is excellent for retraining stability and coordination. Exercise 3. Marching in place. Life isn't static, and neither should your balance training be. This introduces dynamic balance, vital for walking confidently. Stand behind your chair for light support. Simply lift one knee toward your chest, then lower it. Alternate legs for 30 to 60 seconds. This movement engages your core and leg muscles, improving the coordination needed for a steady, confident walk. Fourth is the heel-to-toe walk. If you felt unsteady on uneven ground, this exercise helps. It trains the balance needed for real-world situations. Find a clear path, perhaps alongside a wall for support. Place the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other, like a tightrope. Take 10 to 20 steps, concentrating on smooth, controlled motion. This dramatically improves walking stability. And exercise number 5. Calf raises. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, holding a wall or chair for support. Slowly lift your heels so you're on the balls of your feet. Pause, then lower with control. This works your calves and ankles, muscles that support every step. Stronger calves absorb impact and improve ankle stability, essential for better balance and fall prevention. Aim for 10 to 20 controlled repetitions. Now, let's combine these 5 movements into a single daily routine. Perform 10 sit-to-stands. Hold a single leg stance for 10 seconds on each leg. March in place for 30 seconds. Take 10 heel-to-toe steps. And do 10 calf raises. Rest for about 30 seconds. Then repeat that circuit 2 to 3 times. That's it. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day to rebuild your strength, improve your balance, and move with renewed confidence. As you get stronger, increase repetitions. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. These movements use the same muscles you need for daily life, so the benefits add up quickly. You'll stand taller, walk steadier, and feel stronger doing all the things you love. Your legs deserve more support. Watch the next video to see the 3 foods that keep them strong. Keep moving, and I'll see you in the next video.